All right, guys, welcome to Quarantined Algebra 2 on March 31st. That's the day. I already had forgotten since I made my last video. So we're going to have a pretty short, simple video today. We are wrapping up this section. This section being simplifying rational expressions, multiplying, and dividing them. So what we're going to do is, instead of rush right into the next section, we are going to try out this quiz over them. Now, I use the term quiz strictly because that's what's written on the page. It's no different than you doing problems on anything else. Don't think that it is. But I want us to try out these problems as kind of a review, a finality, a closure on this unit before we move on to the next one. So this is a page in your packet. It's a little ways in. I'm not sure exactly which page it is, but it has quiz 8.1 at the top. It should be probably a little over halfway through. And there are 10 questions surrounding the topics that we've talked about so far. 4 of them that deal with simplifying rational expressions, and then 6 of them, 5 through 8, and then 9 and 10 on the back, that deal with what we've been working on with multiplying and dividing rational expressions over the past week or so. There is one problem that I want you guys to skip, and that is number 3. You do not got to do that one. I don't like number 3 a lot because it is one of the problems where we end up with kind of reverse binomials, in the sense of like a x plus 6 and then a 6 minus x. I don't like those kind of problems. They're not fun. However, the others are very straightforward in the sense of they look like what we've been doing. You're going to be using the traditional methods of factoring to try to simplify them, all that kind of stuff. Now, you're going to have, I'm going to take a break from making a new video and moving on tomorrow. So you will have until Thursday to email me questions, ask anything that you need to, try to inquire before I start throwing new stuff out there. I wanted to give you guys that full day so that if you have any questions, you can email them to me. I can answer them tomorrow. I'm going to be at the school tomorrow afternoon between 12 and 3, just there ready to answer questions via email. I'm not saying I'm going to be at the school so you guys come to the school. Nah, social distancing. But I want to give you guys that time so you have plenty of time to work on this, to figure out what questions you have, etc., etc. So our next video is actually going to be up on Thursday instead of tomorrow. But try out 1 through 10 with the exception of number 3 on this page of your packet. Again, if you guys have any questions, email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.